Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll be going over how to copy a user ID on Discord Mobile. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to your profile user settings. So, to do that, you just want to make sure you have the little screen at the bottom where you can click on you. And then you want to scroll up and click the settings gear icon in the top right. Then what you want to do is look for the advanced setting. It may be called behavior for you, so if you don't see advanced, just click on behavior. Now, for the advanced settings, you want to make sure you have developer mode toggled to on. After you've done that, you can go ahead and copy any user ID. Now, to do that, you just simply have to click on a profile, click on the three dots, and then click copy user ID. I can do the same thing to my own profile, like so, and just to show, I can now paste it in like that. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Bye bye.